Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the username on Zedge. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Right here, this is the interface and we want to change our username. To do that, what we need to do is simply go to Profile. In the navbar, right next to the bell icon, you will see a profile. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. Right here, as you can see, this is my username and right now I want to change it. Let's go to account settings right here. Once you click on the account settings page, this will open up. That's account management. Right here in the first account settings tab, you will see something like username. Right now we want to change the username. So let's just change it. Well, as you can see, I have changed my username. Now what we want to do is simply click on save changes. I'm gonna click on it right now. And there you go. The account settings have been updated. As you can see, my username has been changed. Well guys, that's it. That's how we change the username on Zedge. It's easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.